A few years ago, I lost everything I thought defined me: my title, my team, my confidence. But what I didn't lose was my will to rebuild. That's how the Reinvention Program was born. Not from theory, but from survival. I wanted to help people like me, professionals who gave their all and suddenly had to start again. Inside the program, we guide you step by step through the COMEB, ACK method. Clarity: discover your true priorities, values, and purpose. Ownership: take control of your actions. Mentorship: gain guidance and support from experienced leaders. Emotional intelligence: manage emotions, relationships, and responses effectively. Boundaries: learn to protect your time, energy, and focus. Audacity: build courage to take bold, calculated steps forward. Career repositioning: strategically plan your next professional chapter. Kickstart: implement actionable steps to launch your comeback with confidence. This isn't motivation, it's structure. A practical system to rebuild your confidence, reposition your career, and restart your life's next chapter. And from this journey came the Bounce Back, a collection of powerful stories, including my own. It's proof that your worst season can still become your greatest turning point. If you've ever felt stuck, unseen, or ready to start again, join me. The Reinvention Program isn't just a course, it's a comeback. Start today and rewrite your story.